tune called Duke the Dog, which I wrote for a dog whose name was Duke, and he was a stray who decided to call me his human. So, and that's, I mean, when I was playing this tune, that's when I realized that dogs actually get music. Like he was sitting across and he was nodding to it, and I was like, oh, okay, dogs get music. So, so that's why I thought I'll dedicate this one to him. And but playing a guitar the regular way is, you know, not so much fun. So I'll make it a little gimmicky. Let's see.
Okay.
Ah, yeah.
Wow, that was something very unexpected. I mean, I never expected to do that. It's wonderful.
Yeah, I thought I'll just like have fun with it.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Roshan.
Hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
Fine, fine. So today we are going to start with you with a rapid fire round.
All right.
Are you
let's
ready
go.
for this?
I hope so.
You're a person who accepts challenges, so I don't think there should be a
It's more of lack of choice in a way. Here I have a choice, but then why not? Let's go for it.
Okay, okay. So let's start. Roshan, do you feel exhausted post a 9 to 5 job? One word answer.
No.
Do you get angry with your team?
No.
Do you find time to play a musical instrument?
Yes.
Do you exercise every day or a weekday?
Every day. I try to. Yeah, yeah.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Do you socialize?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Who's your inspiration?
Uh, Here I'll have to use more than one word. That would be Rahul Dravid, my childhood hero, Dr. Kalam,
Okay.
very, very inspiring human being, and Ustad Zakir Hussain. So yeah, three people I really look up to.
So that's why you are also an optimist.
Yeah, and pragmatist.
Yeah. Yes. What keeps you motivated?
uh, just seeing things happen and like the I like process in a way. Like, you know, there is a beauty in doing something and then like creating something which was not there before. So I like that. Yeah. So
Okay.
I apply that same logic to music or writing or cooking. So yeah, I like that.
Okay.
That would be good things take time, and you might as well enjoy the process.
Okay. That's great.
Yeah.
What makes you different than the rest of them? Because I've seen normally people are so frustrated from a 9 to 5 job and they're always complaining, but you're always doing something. Like you see on Facebook, you will be always either playing an instrument or you're doing push-up these days or you're running or you're the author of books. I mean, you know, how do you manage doing this? I mean, what makes you different than the others?
I would say that, like, okay, I have grown up hearing that I'm weird and quirky and all that, but I just feel I'm the most normal person there is. Everyone else is a variation. So I mean, a normal person should be a balanced human being at some level or the other. So you should have, like we had discussed this earlier also, like one for the wallet, one for the soul, one for the body.
Yes, one for
So
the
you should
wallet, one for the soul, and
soul,
one for the
one
body.
for the body.
So
Yeah.
we
So you
take
should
a
have
message
something
from
that balances, like, that's what makes you a well-rounded human being in a way. Otherwise, you'll be skewed at one side.
right.
So, so yeah, that's that. I guess that, I mean, most people just don't realize it. They tend to like put all their eggs in one basket, and then when things go downhill, they are like, oh, I mean, I put so much effort in everything I had, I put it in this. It's not working. But then, yeah, I mean, you don't do that with investments, right? You don't put all your money in one share.
Yeah.
You diversify. So you're diversifying your life as well.
So Roshan, in conclusion, what will be your final message to all the students out there?
Firstly, like I would say, aim small, miss small, which means like you see, most of the disappointments in life happen because of this gap between reality and expectation.
Correct.
Like, and the best way to align it is by setting the right expectation.
Right. Yeah.
Right. The more the expectation is in accordance to, basically औकात अनुसार. So,
correct.
like okay, this is my reach, and if I set the right expectation,
right, I have
then,
some limitations, but I can
yeah,
reach up to this
yeah, be
target.
aware of it. Be aware of
Yeah.
your limitation. Be aware of your own capabilities,
Right.
and then set an expectation accordingly. So your reality will be in accordance to it.
Correct.
Yeah. So firstly, that. Secondly, choose your heroes wisely.
Right.
Like pick people for the right reasons. I mean, not because iska hairstyle acha hai, yeah, like I mean, don't have. I mean, if you want to follow someone's hairstyle, good, but look for the qualities that you can imbibe in your life, because more or less what happens is we do tend to mimic people we look up to. So choose your heroes wisely. It can be anyone, from your mom to your dad to one of your profs or some movie star or some athlete, anyone, or some scientist, but choose your heroes wisely. Thirdly, you're the average of the 5 people you hang out with. I was very lucky with that in college. Like, I had really good friends, and we are still friends, and really happy to say that. So, and you're the average of the 5 people you hang out with. So make sure you're keeping good company.
Correct.
Because and because you're in that age group where your personality is molded. So trust me, you're going to be listening to the same music that you are listening now. 20 years later, you'll be like, "Mere zamane ka gana kitna acha hua karta tha." Trust me, you'll be saying that, because the choices, your personality is getting molded right now.
Right.
So pick the right things for yourself.
Right.
Yeah. So, and you can always
like
reach
choose
out to
wisely.
yeah.
Like
Yeah.
there are a lot of things
choose
out
wisely.
there.
Like, make good choices for yourself.
Right. Oh, that's great. So thank you, Roshan, for
Thank you, ma'am.
for this message, and for taking time out from your busy IT schedule. So
It's
thank
okay.
you.
It's always a pleasure to like, as I told you, I actually want to do this in XI and talk to the students and probably be of some use to them in person. But then, well, thanks to Corona, we are doing it this way.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay.
Thank
God
you, ma'am.
bless you.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.